people of the internet. We are back today with a Redbird Vintage Box. I got it earlier, but I wasn't feeling great because in the south right now, pollen has decided to just go bonkers. Like, it looks like it's foggy outside, but it's just pollen falling. So my sinuses are like not having it. So I finally get to open my box. All right, now for those of you who don't know, Redbird Vintage is a monthly subscription box run by two awesome sisters. What you do is you put in your information, stuff you like, colors, errors, that kind of deal, sizes obviously, and you can choose from different subscription boxes. You can choose the Lorraine, which is clothing and accessories. You can choose the Marie, which is what I have, which is accessories. You can choose the Teresa, I think it's Teresa, which is the tea subscription. They have a scarf subscription, a gentleman's subscription, and a children's subscription, or you can buy one-time boxes. All of those are available on their store. I highly recommend them. If you get a chance, check them out. If you also get a chance and you want to know if what you get is of value, go to Catherine Young Creative's YouTube page, and she has a video about beating the box that gives you an idea of what she had to go through to try to find enough to beat her box. And it was ridiculous. So much driving. Okay, so if you're interested in trying this, use the code Heather10 and you get 10% off your first box. Alright. Now, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Super excited. Now, the box, I'm letting you know, this box is somehow made out of like cat crack, because once you set it anywhere, you can't get rid of them. The cats want them. They keep them forever. It's very annoying because you will run out of space. Heather, thank you for your purchase. We hope you love your box this month. Sarah and Karen. I like how I said that like it was a marble. And Karen. Okay, so for our flare piece, we have this adorable little brooch. Oh, I love this brooch, actually. I really do love it. I'm not a huge fan of gold, but this just gives me like Lucky Charms, cuteness vibes. And I guess since my husband's a ginger, I can pull that off because he kind of looks like a leprechaun. Don't tell him I said that. We didn't say that. All right, also, every box you get comes with this lovely tissue paper and this lovely ribbon, and I always save those things because I always use them for something else. So far, I have used the ribbon to mark my fabric scissors and shears, so I know which ones are for fabric and which ones are for vinyl or HTV. That's what I use, the ones that are a little bit shorter. I have used them as hair ties. I have put them together on a stick and made a cat toy. So you can always find a way to use this stuff. And I think you should reuse stuff if you get a chance. Okay, so the first thing I see, and I have to do this, is a fan. Oh, satisfying sounds. I'm a huge fan of fans. Puns. But I did request this one. I requested this one because this has like the cute tassel at the bottom. It's got silver and fun colors, and I actually really love a fan. I know most of these are used for decorations, but you see what I'm using them for. I'm actually using them as fans because it's so freaking hot. But I love this. So I definitely am already excited because it's very hard to find a cute vintage fan that, you know, you actually like. So I'm excited about my fan. All right, let's see. Okay, now this is their accessory bags. And I always call them the Little House on the Prairie bags because I swear that heifer was wearing a dress made out of stuff like this. I do have enough now of these bags to make a cat quilt, But then I realized that making a quilt is harder than I actually anticipated, so we're still working on that. All right, let's see what we got. All right, first, I don't know. I still don't know. Is this like, is this like a necklace? Maybe it's supposed to be like you wear a tie? I don't know, I will ask Catherine. Catherine's smarter than me. Or Haley. Actually, I'll just ask anybody. But it's pearl. And it's actually really cute. Just like I said, or is it like, I have no idea. So I'll have to ask exactly what this is. But it is cute. But I will have to ask how to use it because I don't know what it is. Even if I don't know what it is, I'll probably still wear it as a necklace. Or I might use it in my hair. The possibilities are endless. Okay. The next item is a brooch. And it's kind of like a leaf. Wait, is this open? Is this an open brooch thingy? It looks like it should open. It does! Oh, okay. So it's like a little Avon brooch. I don't know what the point of it. Like, it might have been like meant to hold something in this area. I'm not sure. But I would use it as a locket. Or, you know what? I might would actually put lavender in it. Because I like lavender. And that would actually be really, really good. So I like a little leaf. I would probably put like something like lavender or something like that because that's stress relieving goodness. All right, and let's see what this is. Pearls. Okay, this is a pearl bracelet and the clasp on it is super classy. I do like this. I think I might have one like this. I'm not real sure. It's something about me and trying to open this stuff on camera that is just not happening. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it back in the bag. Because I cannot open things on camera for some reason. I know out of the accessories, definitely like the flare piece and the fan the most. But I probably do need to figure out what the bead thing is. I'm fascinated by that now and I just want to know. All right, let's see what this could be. Oh, I requested this. I did request this. Oh, it's a bag. Okay, made me feel real dumb. Okay, so I have this thing about like Asian type designs, prints, anything like that. I always love them. And I've never actually had a trinket dish that had an Asian design on them. So I was like, you know what? This would be super, super cute in my guest bathroom once my house is remodeled. So I actually want this for my guest bathroom so that I can let them put like, anybody who's staying, they can put like their jewelry and stuff like that in because my mother-in-law does that. You put your jewelry and all that stuff in it and then it won't get lost and then you don't have to worry about it. So I wanted something that was vintage but kind of still cool and kind of still me, and this fit the bill perfectly. It's the perfect size and everything. So I'm super stoked that I got two things I requested because I definitely wanted the two things I requested. I also I really like this. I don't know what it is about this. It's like a fun green. It's like fun in a pen. I am not good with words today. This pollen has killed my brain cells. But I will link the other Redbird Vintage subscribers down below. You should take a look at their stuff too because they always get different stuff than me because we're all totally different. And they're fun to watch. Also, don't forget to use the code Heather10 if you want to try your monthly subscription box. And as always, like, subscribe, make a comment, let me know what you think. If there's any other subscription boxes you think I should try that are vintage related, I'd love to hear them because I haven't found anyone that is anywhere near as good as these guys. But other than that, I hope everybody has a good day and a good week.